Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already have the essentials: a Google account and a filled Skills Boost profile. Now sign in and go straight to Profile, then Settings. You want to find the Visibility or Public Profile toggle. Flip it to Public. Once done, make sure to fill basic fields like display name and bio so the public view looks complete. You're taking the first actionable steps now. These unlock the rest of the sharing flow and let you move on to verification. Next, verify how your profile appears to others by opening the public preview and copying the public profile URL. Then adjust detailed visibility for badges, credentials, and projects. Make each item public or private as you prefer. Add a photo and contact links to make your profile useful for viewers. Once done, make sure to save each section. Some pages use separate save buttons. These middle steps control what others can. Finish by testing the public link in an incognito window or a different browser. You must see the same public view others will. Share the link with a colleague or post it lightly to confirm visibility. If something is missing, clear your browser cache and reload, then recheck individual item visibility toggles. If the profile still won't go public, verify account associations and any enterprise or org policies that might block sharing. Contacting support or your admin is the next step if needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.